Do you struggle with getting organized? Have you tried to get organized on your own, but you find it to be completely overwhelming? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to talk about the 5 benefits of working with a professional organizer here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granok. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field. And I've seen lots of clients, and I've been able to help them with all kinds of issues in regards to getting organized. And in my years of working with clients, I have heard this so many times. Clients will say to me, I feel like I should be able to get organized on my own, but it's been insert amount of time here, and I still haven't done it. So here are the top 5 benefits the clients have shared with me of working with a professional organizer rather than trying to go it alone. The first one is I thought about having a friend or family member help me, but this is way better because you don't have any connection to my stuff. So true. One of the benefits of working with a professional organizer is that we don't have any pre existing bias towards any of your belongings. We don't have any of the attachments or memories that you have. So we could look at each of your items objectively and provide a neutral sounding board for you to process whether something should stay or go. The second comment I get a lot is, you are so non judgmental, which makes it easy to work with you. Oh, thanks. The areas in your home or office that we work on is completely up to you. What you choose to keep and what you choose to let go of is also completely up to you. How we organize it, how we arrange it, how we display your items is up to you. The most important rule of getting organized is that it needs to make sense to you and work for you. Another comment I get goes like this: I'm sure glad you came today. I feel so relieved whenever you come over because I know I've gotten a lot done. When you commit to working with a professional organizer, we can accomplish a great deal in a short amount of time. We love helping people get organized, and we'll help you see how much fun and freeing it could be. I get this comment a lot. I could have done all the things we did today on my own, but it would have taken me 6 months, not 3 hours. This comes up with many of our clients, especially those who are neurodivergent. Hiring a professional organizer allows you to work within a dedicated block of time with gentle guidance to remain focused and stay on task. My favorite comment that I get from clients is, you taught me so well. I don't need your help anymore. I just ask myself what you would say or do, and then I do it myself. The number one goal of our work together is to transfer skills so that you can get and stay organized all on your own. Now, it doesn't mean that I fire my clients. We'll work with you for as long as you want, either continuously or on an as needed basis. The majority of our clients only work with us a few times and then move on, armed with the tips and tricks that they learned during our time together. I hope this has helped you identify some of the benefits of working with a professional organizer instead of trying to tackle things on your own. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday. So be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.